Hello guys, if you are looking for something new and different for curly hair, I couldn't recommend anything other than the Pixie Curly of my company. Pixie Curl is so natural and very cool. Curls are usually tight and small with a lot of curl and bounce. So to make this, we need a lot of time to grab them. The curls are just enough to create a voluminous and bouncy look. Let the video show how amazing this curl look. And we have two types of curl, small curl and big curl. Each of them has its own beauty and different. You can mix them with closer to get a more complete and luxury wig. And we have all sides of closer and frontal. How do the PC look when wearing a wig, clip-in, and V-part? You will see the hair now with image below. They are so natural and exacting. Besides, we can make the style according to customer request. And here are PC curly when we comb it. They look so full and bouncy with the curl very small. Some of my customers love them. And here's some feedback for Pixie Curly. And if you have any question, please let me know. I will support you. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.